Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the monTEK motorized ceiling TV mount, designed for 32 to 75-inch TVs, supporting up to 121 pounds. This mount isn't just heavy-duty, it's engineered to handle large TVs with ease, offering a seamless flip-down mechanism that transforms your ceiling into a flexible entertainment hub. What sets this mount apart is its compatibility with lower VESA patterns. Whether your TV has standard or off-center mounting holes, monTEK includes extension arms that prevent your TV from hitting the wall while ensuring a secure fit. This means even bigger TVs, like 55, 65, or 75-inch screens, can be safely mounted with peace of mind. The mount has been rigorously tested to lift 121 pounds and has even survived 4 times its rated load and strength tests. It's also built to endure over 20,000 extension cycles, so you can count on smooth, stress-free operation for years. The flip-down motion is whisper-quiet, operating at 50 decibels less than standard mounts. So there's no distracting hum or creak when your TV glides into position. Control is another highlight. You can operate the mount via the included remote, a smartphone app, or even through voice commands using Alexa or Google Home. This level of smart integration allows you to adjust your TV's position without leaving your seat, making movie nights or sports games more convenient than ever. When it comes to viewing angles, the monTEK mount delivers impressive flexibility. It offers a tilting range of 0 to 75 degrees, with plus or minus 2 degrees of fine leveling to reduce glare and optimize your sight lines. Whether you're lying down, sitting upright, or anywhere in between, this mount ensures your TV is always perfectly positioned. Installation is versatile as well. The mount works on wood stud, concrete, and brick ceilings, and it adapts to both flat and pitched ceilings, making it suitable for a wide variety of rooms. From a living room above a fireplace to a home bar, it integrates seamlessly without compromising stability or style. Crafted from alloy steel and finished in sleek black, the monTEK ceiling mount combines durability with aesthetic appeal. Its thoughtful design includes cable management, keeping wires tidy and out of sight, so your setup looks clean and professional. In short, the monTEK motorized ceiling TV mount is a premium solution for anyone looking to elevate their TV viewing experience. It's powerful, quiet, versatile, and smartly controlled, offering a level of convenience and safety that makes it an ideal choice for modern homes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest tech products.